see nastiness, so we just feel like disinfectant.
You go out now.
You don't get the papers.
Which papers?
Divorce.
My wife and divorce me.
What's new?
Your wife and divorce.
I mean, I don't want to serve it in that's open for me, no. But
Why? Me need a woman. Me bust 2 blackhead this morning and it seems like they ain't done bust good. See them? They just big in my face, so. No, sir. Never go get myself a lady, man. I'm taking applications. Women only. And when I say women only, you have to be a biological woman. You can't dress up like a woman. You can't be a pretend woman. Anyways, last night I recorded one really nice video, you know, multiple clips of plays from Oliver to Shebada to Delcita and a whole host of others. And guess what? Me delete the video before me send it to my next phone or my computer for edit. So we're gonna do a shorter video right now of Bashment Granny 2 with the number 1, number 2 person, Shebada. You get it? Shebada, my boss still. No long talking because I have to go out right now.
Someone get up in your mind, make up, and I realize that she's not the powerful. Hurry up! Ready to go! This woman will run down a man and then an athlete. You understand what I mean? Nothing is wrong. That hurt me. She come in here with that overnight problem. I come over and them out a relationship. I'm on to it, Palmy.
You don't worry about that. That's my business.
I was a long time stay, big woman, you know.
Let me tell you something. I notice you. You always talk about old. But you see the rate at which you're going, I need for you to know. The rate at which you're going, you will never live to see my age.
Any day, see that my skin a wrinkle like you with a drop your bucket of oil of a lane. You don't know who I do you. I want really do you.
You need to take a good look at yourself, and that is what you need to do.
Me, I wonder sometimes if there's an antique store, like I want this all-time center table.
You will never live to see my age, and I need for you to take a note of that. And I rest my case.
You're supposed to rest it a black and white here, we right, and then put things to rest. Where me here go?
Come in, man.
How are
No respect.
talk aloud, she can't lick you, my dear. Say that. Remember me, your friend, she can't lick you.
Yeah, you need to rest because the black and white here weird. The part the body, you know. I know people don't pick up on it, you know. A funeral she a go. She a dead. Oh my god. She about a feisty still, you know. A man feisty gone to bed, man. Mr. Number 2 himself. I hope Shebada don't see me I call him number 2. Although man proudly raised if a pride flag in Jamaica still. I don't care about that. Shebada is a great actor, he's funny. The little piece of play there had me laughing, had me cracking up. I hope you guys there laugh too. And if you were laughing, do me a favor, like the video. By liking the video, you're helping me grow the channel. Did I say that right? You're helping me grow the channel and I would really appreciate that. And thanks for your help. And we're moving forward right now.
Lad, you determined how much you must where you ask me what bag? You see me have a pantry? A man bag. Give me that bathroom. Don't do more. No, I have a pantry. You're too much now, man. Me say you're going in the bathroom for me. Get out of here! Baba, you like the Israel bag? I'm Israel, my bag, you know what I mean? Israel!
Look here, what's the significance of this bag?
Look here, don't give me a one time. My job is to serve, protect, and inform. I'm not serve and protect and inform.
And you're not
there for my lunchtime. Don't do that.
Well, sir, next time you buy the bag in Jerusalem.
Especially class, she didn't know she can't. So me never try.
Give me another drink, please.
My job is done here.
Open the bag, my friend. Open the bag.
Mama, you know what you can't think you got no. Come on, buy the bag, I don't want to look into it.
From me by the bag, me not look into it. She bought a Bashman police and informer police at the same time. If I'm not mistaken, is the lady husband bag. She go to the station to look for her husband. And she can't find her husband. How the rest of it go? People who used to watch play. Because I've never watched a play live. That's one of the things when me always want to never get to do. And I want to do it soon or very soon. So Shebada, and if you come off a TikTok for a little bit and go up on the play. Oh, they have pantomime same way. And so, I say name, I don't even remember. But anyways, yeah man, we need some more live play. I travel the country again. And yes, I say, yeah, real entertainment. Pian entertainment when they have nowadays in Jamaica. We want real entertainment. When Shebada gay, Shebada still funny. That's double funny. Run it.
How about this, Baba?
Oh, what else?
Israel so old and I use condom. No, man, this is not right. Israel and rock old.
Freaky.
What you say?
Freaky, you heard me.
You don't see free cat. You don't see free cat.
What else is in the bag? What else is in the bag?
No, Baba. Baba, show the eye. Show the eye. You want you with blind, you. Look at it.
I want that me just watch. Me need to watch your side. Because I kind of understand the clip here, but more watch the whole thing, more get the whole concept. Again, the lady go to station to go look for her police or constable or superintendent husband. Him disappear upon her. But his car was outside, yeah? Shebada say, yo, you know, work for you, me work, whatever. Me don't know where your husband is. Are you supposed to know where your husband is? And then this happened. So that's her husband bag, I'm assuming. But have condom, and of course, husband and wife no use condom, so he's cheating. Man have whip, cow whip. So whoever then panty, boss I take home souvenir. What a nasty man. If you cheat, you have to cheat, be discreet. You cannot do all of them sitting there. Jesus, pretty much. I don't promote cheating, but if you're gonna cheat, man, you have to do it properly, man. Because women cheat and then cheat properly, you never know say your wife a cheat. How you dead and gone and bury and you know say your woman ever cheat on you 100 times. Anyways, I know what woman they gonna bash me about the party. But I true, I don't know what's on gibbon. Hard to. And no man never find out because you know I gibbon with the same man for years. While man I gibbon with multiple women in 1 month. Woman smart. Anyways, this was another funny play by a funny actor who is actually a funny guy. Me I chat to myself. Me I chat to the camera people look for me. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. I appreciate you guys coming through every day watching the videos. The long form videos, which is this, YouTube now promote them. So just help me promote these videos on the channel by just liking and sharing. Manners and respect. Stay safe. God bless. Me gonna walk.